Today talking about the dollar sign symbol in Excel. Dollar sign in the formula is not represent money. It is a symbol that tells the Excel to fix the cells when you copy the formula from one to the other cells. So in this situation, you can see that we want to calculate the global fund amount. You can add a formula price times unit times the US dollar exchange rate, then we will get the result. So we then want to copy the formula to the other funds. You can see that it get a wrong result. It's because when you copy from here the formula to the other cells, the Excel system will change the cells from 2 to 3. It is automatically. So in this situation, if you want to tell Excel to fix the cells for the exchange rate, you need to add a dollar sign in front of this number 2. You can see this cells is not changed, but when you copy the Excel to the other cells, the result is changed because it tells the Excel to fix these cells. Other you didn't add the dollar sign, we will continue get the change. So this time you get the correct result.
Thanks for watching the video today. If you found it is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you very much.